This cabbage broth will boost your health and help you lose weight in a healthy way. Cabbage is a low-calorie, fiber-rich, green leafy vegetable that is extremely healthy for all of us, offering a plenty of health benefits. Many people around the world use this vegetable to treat arthritis, obesity, headaches, constipation, gout, skin issues, eczema, jaundice, stomach ulcer, heart disease, eye disorders, weight loss, Alzheimer's, scurvy, etc. Being an excellent source of potassium, cabbage has the ability to prevent potassium deficiency, which in turn reduces cholesterol and systolic blood pressure, stimulates liver detox, and supports the heart health. Similarly, like other cruciferous vegetables, cabbage can boost the immune system, reduce inflammation, balance the blood sugar levels, reduce tumor size and kill cancer cells. According to a study published in the Journal of Cancer Prevention cabbage can prevent coronary heart disease, cancer, and various other chronic diseases associated with oxidative stress. The researchers claim that the effectiveness is due to the powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties this vegetable possesses. In addition, the Western Journal of Medicine published another study which proved that cabbage juice is very beneficial for people who suffer from a duodenal and gastric ulcer, significantly improving their condition. Cabbage nutrition facts. Fiber. Being a great source of fiber, cabbage is definitely one of the best foods ever for your stomach. As we said before, it is very effective in treating stomach ulcers. Antioxidants. Cabbage is packed with antioxidants which can reduce inflammation, boost the function of the brain, and prevent cancer. Glucosinolates. Cabbage has a high content of glucosinolates, sulfur-based compounds which can provide anti-cancer properties. When they enter your body, they become isothiocyanates, compounds which have the ability to stop the growth of cancer cells. Cabbage for weight loss. Cabbage is highly recommended for people who want to lose weight in a healthy and natural way. Even though it is low in calories, 1 cup of cooked cabbage contains 33 calories. It also contains essential minerals, vitamins, and many other nutrients which will keep you full for a longer period of time. You will be able to lose weight while at the same time obtaining a number of health benefits. This cabbage broth will boost your overall health due to the many healthy ingredients it contains. What is more, it is extremely delicious. Cabbage broth recipe. Needed ingredients: cabbage, carrots, onion, broccoli. Other vegetables, optional. Water. Directions. You should chop the onion and the carrots, cut the broccoli into florets, and shred the cabbage. Boil the water and add the ingredients. Keep in mind that you can add as many vegetables as you want. Also, the amount of the ingredients depends on your wish. However, make sure to use at least half of a head of cabbage. Simmer the cabbage with the other ingredients and add salt. That is it. Enjoy your healthy and delicious broth.